What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to show you guys how to print money. You guys want to be like the US government? We're going to show you how. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. I don't know, it could be all of them combined and maybe 40 minutes. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It'll probably be about 4 minutes. So boom, we enter the app. We're on Aave. If you don't know what Aave is, well, this is what it is. Aave is a DeFi lending platform. It's similar to Compound. If you guys have not heard about either of those, well, you guys need to check out my videos on both Aave and Compound before you even mess around with this. Guys, so we are going to show you how to print some cash right now. This is awesome. Okay, first, let me explain this to you right now. So here are a couple of the assets that you can deposit and get a loan on. And how is this going to work? Well, first you will get a loan on some MATIC, or I'm sorry, deposit money on MATIC, or deposit DAI, USDC, USDT, Wrapped ETH, Wrapped Bitcoin, Aave, any of them. Right now we're on the MATIC network. I know you guys are saying, oh, gas fees are nuts. Oh, this is crazy. Well, if you haven't heard of MATIC, gas fees are ridiculously cheap. Let me just show you guys exactly how cheap it is. I don't have a bunch of MATIC on here, but I'm just going to show you guys. If you guys have not tried the MATIC network, transaction fees are like fractions of a penny. It's like 0.00001 MATIC. So guys, go ahead and give it a shot. It is a lot of fun. So we're going to go back to the pools and explain them. So guys, this is a limited time, so keep an eye on this. This will not always be around, but I'm going to explain these APYs. So when you deposit MATIC, you are going to be earning 2.47% MATIC back, plus a 6.68 APR. So technically you're earning 10% on the MATIC that you deposit. Now, that 10% you're earning, you can come over here and borrow at a 6% fee. So, or we'll call it 7%. So minus 10% or 7% from 10, you're now earning 3%. But you just borrowed against it. So now you're leveraging your yield. So you deposit it in here and you're earning more. But wait, there's more. You see this 14.99%? This is just a 1 year period. So what that means is you're earning an additional 15% MATIC. So now you're earning an additional 15%. So that 3% net you're earning plus the 15, you're earning 18% interest on a leveraged position in MATIC. So say you only have 1,000 MATIC, now you're able to get a leveraged position. So you're able to get 1,000 MATIC, get a loan. So it would be like a loan for 500 MATIC. So now you have 500 more MATIC. So now it's technically you have 1,500 MATIC. You're earning 10% on 1,500 MATIC, you're paying 7%, and you're earning a bonus 15%. Guys, that's massive. So instead of, I'm just going to do the math for you now. Say one MATIC token is equal to $1, and you have 1,000 of them. That's $1,000. You're earning 17% interest. So that's $170 a year. But wait, we have a leveraged position now. So now we're earning interest on quote-unquote 2,000 MATIC that we only had 1,000 in. So now we're earning 280. We're doubling. So basically we're printing money, guys. So that's how you can print money on Aave. This is on the Polygon MATIC chain. So this is for low gas fees so you can compound your interest. This is what you can earn for depositing MATIC. You can also do USDC. Again, keep in mind, this is the percentage that you are earning for depositing, and this is the percentage you're earning in MATIC. So you got to come back in over here and also calculate this in. So again, this is a short-term period. As more people deposit, this will change and fluctuate. So right now, it is a bonus, so you can earn a bunch on this. And you can also deposit some Aave and earn on this as well. So do keep this in mind, guys. This is a really cool and neat opportunity that will not last long. Go print some money, guys. Be like the US government. Proverbs chapter 29 verses 26. Many seek an audience with a ruler, but it is from the Lord that one gets justice. Put your faith in him, guys. All right, and I know you guys are probably asking questions again. Can you open up some more stuff? Do this stuff. All right, so we're going to show you guys just a pool. So USDT, you literally hit deposit. It's going to ask for the transaction fee. I don't have it, and it's going to ask how much you want to deposit. If you guys have not used Aave, check out my video on how to use Aave. And you do want to keep in mind there is a portion where you can get liquidated. This liquidation is important to keep in mind. It'll tell you how much you can have. It'll tell you your health factor and your loan to value. Typically when you deposit, it'll say, hey, the maximum you can withdraw is this much. Don't always withdraw the max. Withdraw the max. If there's a black swan event, you're going to lose all of your tokens and lose all of your money. Don't do that. And even when you are playing it safe, you could still lose all of your money because you get a random liquidation, guys. You can't get high reward with no risk. It just doesn't exist. So keep this in mind, guys. This is how you can play around with it. I recommend you guys at least take a look at it. If you guys don't want to use it, that's okay. You don't have to. But play around with it, see how it's doing. And you guys can see a lot of people are leveraging up in these positions. You can see, look how much is borrowed out of the available liquidity. It's crazy. People are leveraging up. Oh, but MATIC isn't too bad. Hence why the rewards are juicy. 14.98%. Let's see the USDT. Oh yeah, dude. People are levering up to the max. Look at that, guys. It's crazy. That's also probably why they're paying such a high APR. Now you guys see how it works. So look, you see this percentage? You have a ton of people borrowing as much as they can, and there's not a lot of liquidity. So what does that mean? Oh, well, we're going to pay a lot more because we need more tokens. But then again, the borrow rate is way more because a ton of people are borrowing. So it's cool how that works. And then you guys can see on this chart as well, same thing. They also got a ton of liquidity, so they aren't paying as much. Oh, and there's a section that we can see. So look, maximum loan to value is 50%. So that means if you deposit 1,000 MATIC tokens, you're going to be able to get a loan on about 500 worth. Liquidation threshold is 65%. So keep that in mind, guys. Once you hit 65%, you are going to be liquidated. Yes, it can be used as collateral, and it has a 10% liquidation penalty. Cool, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Guys, I need you guys to do a couple things. Participate in the quadruple threat. First, set up a Celsius account. Here's a referral link. You guys can use it. Write it down. Type it down. Or you guys can use the link in the description below. Set up a Celsius account. Good for savings. Good for earnings. Don't bet the house on it though. But anyways, you guys can get a free bonus on this. Alright, how do I get this free bonus? Well guys, enter in this link. You guys will get $30. Then deposit $200 in any cryptocurrency. Enter in new 40, like NEW 40 promo code. You guys can use both. And you'll get a total of $70. Guys, that's step one of the triple threat. Alright, Drake, I did step one. What's step two? Alright, guys, this is where you can get your small altcoin gems and little game changers. You guys can go to crypto.com. You can set up an account. Here's a link in the description below, or you guys can just type in this code right here on the screen. Deposit some funds in there. You get $25 in bonus crypto. You guys can use that to buy your altcoin gems and have some fun. Step two of the triple threat. Or I'm sorry, quadruple threat. And the third one, this one is a fun one. Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks. Step 4, open up a BLOCKFI account. Here's a link you guys can use. The reference code is 024FFE02. All the links are in the description below. Open up a BLOCKFI, just deposit some funds, and you'll get $30 in BTC. And you can also get that crypto cashback rewards card. Don't forget about that. Game changer, 1.5%. And the first few months, you get a bunch of extra percent. Check it out. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like $100 in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.